Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and today we'll be discussing the fourth puzzle in this series. I'll read the puzzle for you guys. AB is a two-digit number which, when multiplied by C, gives DE as the result. Here, DE is a two-digit number. When DE, again which is a two-digit number, is added to FG, the result is HI. Here, each of the letters from A to I represents a different digit from 1 to 9. Find the value of D plus I. I'll write it down. AB, a two-digit number, when multiplied by C gives DE as the result. So, AB into C gives DE. When this is added, the result DE is added to another two-digit number FG. The result is HI. Now, so you can see there are 9 letters here. In these 9 letters, these 9 letters represent distinct digits from 1 to 9, which means none of the digits can be repeated. So now we'll have to see which digit represents which letter. Ultimately, we have to find D plus I. Now, a common mistake that students make is that they try to solve it by hit and trial. But I'll recommend you that solve it in a systematic manner. How? See, first of all, you must realize that which numbers can't be at a particular place. Let us say if I think about specifically B and C, just think about it. Now, certainly neither of them can be 1. Neither B nor C can be 1. Because if B1 is multiplied by C, then the same number will be repeated at E. If any one of B or C is 1, the same digit will be repeated at E. So certainly none of these can take the value of 1. Now I'll just write it down over here. B and C cannot be equal to 1. Also, none of them can be equal to 5. Think of it. If any one of them is 5, just let us say this is 5 and this is an even number. 5 into an even number will result in a 0 over here. Or 5 into an odd number will result again in a 5 over here. So, there cannot be 1 and 5 at the places of B and C. Okay. There is no other possibility that we can rule out as of now. Now think about the possible digits at A. The digit at A should be a very small number. Now why do I say this? Because AB being a two-digit number, when it is multiplied by something, gives another two-digit number. We then again add it to a two-digit number and the result is still a two-digit number. What if A is a larger digit? Let us say 9. Is it possible? No. 8, 7, 6, nothing is possible. So right now I'll think that A has to be one of either 1, 2, 3. But still, A cannot take the values of 2 and 3 also. I'll tell you why. What if, see, first of all, we've thought that A can be 1, 2, 3, a very small number. Suppose, what if I take A as 2? We just discussed that the B and C cannot take value 1. So what is the smallest number that I can put over here? Suppose I put 3 over here. I cannot take value of B less than 3 here. Now, what is the smallest number that I can put for the value of C? 4, because we need not repeat digits. This itself is 92. If I add another 2-digit number over here, then we'll have a 3-digit number over here. So if the smallest 2-digit possible number starting with 2 is not possible, how come other digits are possible at this place? See, let us say 24 into 3, this becomes 72, ruled out. We cannot say 2. Let us say 25 cannot be there because we cannot put 5. 26 into 3, 78. Why cannot it be there? Because we have already taken a number which starts with 2. If I take any number, see, the smallest number that I can add here is will start with 4, because I've taken 2, taken 3, so the smallest number that I can start from here is 4. So any number 78 plus 40 something will give us a 3-digit number. So I guess now it is clear to everyone that we cannot take a larger number here, because then ultimately it will result in a 3-digit number. So now see, this is clear to everyone now. So basically we'll have to take a as 1. Okay, what is the smallest number that I can think of here? The smallest number, that I'll just move it to slightly left hand side. Yeah, this is 1. The smallest number that I can think of here is 2. Now, what is the smallest number? See, why I am starting with the smallest number? Because once I'm starting with the smallest number, I know which numbers cannot be there. Let us say whether 12 can be there, whether 13 can be there, whether 14. I'll keep eliminating the cases. But what if I go by hit and trial? There are people who will keep writing 14 into 6, 13 into 7, then 12 into 8, then 19 into 4. There is no use doing the hit and trial, because let us say I try with 14 into 6 and somehow it does not uh, represents the correct answer after doing the hit and trial. So I know that 14 into 6 cannot lead into correct answer, but then whether 14 into 3 will be there, whether 14 into 7 will be there or not. So don't do this by hit and trial. Starting with the smallest possible number will give us which numbers to check and which to be eliminated already. So what is the smallest digit that I can put over here? 12 into 3, which is 36. See, 3 repeated, ruled out. 12 into 4, 48. 12 into 5 cannot be there. We have seen that neither B nor C could be 5. 12 into 6 cannot be there, because see, 12 into 6 is not possible because it is 72. Then 2 will be repeated. Now 12 into 7, see here you must have realized by now that 12 into 7 will not be possible because it is already 84. If I even want to add a 2-digit number, the smallest possible number will start from 3, because 1 is already there, 2 is already there. Then it will no longer be a 2-digit number. So 12 has been eliminated. What about 13? If I write 13 over there, the smallest possible number that I can think of here is 26. Eliminated. 13 into, see, I cannot write 3 at the place of C. 13 into 4 is 52. So you can see that till now I have got 5 different digits for 5 different places. But will this lead to the correct answer? Certainly not. Because see, I have used all the digits from 1 to 5. What is the smallest number that I can add over here? The smallest number that I can add is 60 something. If I add 60 something to 52, it is obviously a 3-digit number. So eliminated. 13 into 5, not possible. 13 into 6 again is a very big number, 78, but still we'll check. Okay, the smallest number that I can add here is 20 something. Okay, 2. See, it already seems to be going towards a 3-digit number, because if I add the smallest possible number 24, it is still a 3-digit number. So the result will be a 3-digit number. Eliminated. So 13 case has been eliminated. 12, 13. See, that is the benefit of doing it through systematic approach, because I know that in any case 12 cannot be there, 13 cannot be there, and so on. Doing it by random method will lead us to multiple options, that if sometimes I check by 17, sometimes I check by 15, then by 16, and so on. Anyway, we move to 14. 14 into 2, 28. Not possible. 14 into 3, 42. Not possible. 14 into 4, not. How can I repeat 4? 14 into 5, 5 तो आ नहीं सकता. 14 into 6, not possible. So ultimately, 14 has also been eliminated. Can we write 15? Certainly not. B cannot take the place of 5. Now, what if we take 16? 16 into 2, 32. Not possible. 16 into 3, 48. Now, what we have written over here is 16 into 3 is 48. अब यहां पर हमने कौन कौन से डिजिट्स यूज किए हैं? 1, 6, 3, 4 and 8. Now, which all digits are left? The digits left are, I'll just write it down here, 2, 5, 7 and 9. Now, guys, it is 48 something. Can I add 90 something over here? No. I am finding out the digit to be written over here. Can I add 70 something? No. Can I add 50 something? No. Can I add 20 something? Yes. Okay. If I add 20 something to 48, let us see what happens. Whether it is feasible or not. Okay. 48 plus 20 something. Guys, now we have only these options, 5, 7 and 9. Suppose if I write 5 over here, suppose if I write 5 over here, 8 and 5 should add up to 3. Here we don't have the option of writing 3. So 5 cannot be here. 5 cannot be here. What if I write 7 over here? If I write 7 over here, 8 plus 7 is 5. Good enough. Now 8 plus 7 is 15. So 5 is written over here, 1 is carried. So ultimately this becomes 75. Not possible. Now, what if I would have written 48 plus 29? Eight plus 9 would have become 17. So 1 carried, this becomes 77. Certainly not possible. So 16 into 3 is eliminated. Now 16 into 4, 64. Not possible. 16 into 5, certainly not possible. 16 into 6, not possible. So till now we have eliminated 12, 13, 14, 16, 15 could obviously not be there. Now let us move to 17. 17 into 2, 34. What are the digits remaining over here? We have used 1, 2, 3, 4. So digits remaining are 5, 6, 8, 9. See, I cannot write 90 something beneath 30, 34. I cannot write 80 something. I cannot write 60 something. The only possible thing that I can write over here is 5. Now, can I write 6 over here? 4 plus 6, 0. Not possible. 6 cannot be written over here. Can I write 8 over here? 4 plus 8 will give me last digit as 2. I cannot write 2 over here. Can I write 9 over here? 4 plus 9 will give me last digit as 3. Cannot be done. So 17 into 2 cannot be done. Now 17 into 3, 51. Certainly not possible. 17 into 4, 68. Oh, we are still having 5 different digits. So what are the digits left? 2, 3, 5 and 9. Guys, now think carefully. 17 into 4 is 68. If we add, can we add 90 something? Certainly not. Can we add 50 something? No. Can we add 30 something to 68? No. Can we add 20 something? Yes. So I'll write 2 over here. Okay. What if I add 68 plus 20 something? It will still be a two-digit number for sure. Okay, 68 plus 20 something. If I talk about this number here, whether this number will end in 30 something? No. Whether this number will end in 50 something? No. Whether this number will end in 90 something? Yes. So now I have to fit 3 and 5 over here. So if I add 3 and 5 over here, can I add 3 over here? 8 plus 3 will give last digit as 1. Not possible. Can I add 5 over here? 68 plus 25 is 93. So this is the correct answer. I'll just write it down. Oh. So accordingly you can see that the value of I is 3 and value of D is 6. So the correct answer is, the correct sum is 9. I hope this is clear to everyone. See, I have explained you in detail, so it took me around, let us say, 15 plus minutes, 10-15 minutes. But if you would have solved it, you would have eliminated all the possible cases starting from 1 and reaching till 17 in around 4 minutes. That is the time that this question to take. And if you check even further, let us say 18, 19, no possible solution will exist. It will take hardly 1 minute more to check this. And 20 something, as we have seen, is certainly not possible. So, in case you still have any query, please feel free to ask. And then, so as I suggested, you can ask your doubts in the YouTube section, YouTube comment section, Telegram or Facebook, whichever way you want. So, thank you everyone.